Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about a useful skill in Selenium, how to upload a file automatically. You have probably seen upload buttons when filling out forms like attaching a resume or a profile picture. Imagine being able to automate that with just a few lines of code. In this tutorial I will show you the easiest way to handle file uploads in Selenium. So let's get started. In previous tutorial I have explained about the explicit thread. Create a new Python file. Right click on Python project and then click on Python file. Enter the file name upload underscore file and then click on Python file. Now import the WebDriver and the import time for adding some weight in the code. Import WebDriver. Now initialize the WebDriver. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot cron as enter the URL in which we want to upload the file. URL is equal to enter the URL in this double quotes and then navigate to this URL by using driver dot get URL. As you can view in this page, one button is available which is browse. After clicking on this browse button, we can select a file and then file will be upload. Copy this URL. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can upload the file by using the send keys. Enter the URL. Next thing here we need to do, first locate this element which is browse and then we can select the file. After selecting the file, it will upload the file. Right click on this browse button, inspect, and here ID and name, both locators are available. Either we can locate by ID and the name, but the best approach for using ID, because ID is always unique. Copy this ID and then file is equal to driver dot find element by ID. Enter the ID input dashboard and here we need to use the send keys for uploading the file. So use here file dot send keys and R double quote. In the double quote, enter the file which we want to upload in this page. So here in this root, one file is available which is sample.pdf. Right click on this sample.pdf and then click on copy path reference and then click on absolute path. Basically this file is present in this folder which is Python project. Enter the complete path of the file. After enter the file name, you need to enter the extension of the file. If you want to upload the PDF, then enter the PDF extension. Same if you want to upload the image PNG, after the file name, you need to enter the extension. Let's add some weight here. After uploading the file, add some weight time dot slip 3 second wait. Let's change to 5 second. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and then locate the element by ID, and the ID is input -4. After locating the element, it will upload the file by using send keys. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to this URL and then upload the file. Here you can view the file has been uploaded, which is sample.pdf. Same as well, we can upload the PNG image. As you can view here, one image is available which is test.png and test1.png. Click on this PNG, this image, and then click on copy path reference. Copy this absolute path and change here. Now in this scenario, the image will be upload. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to this URL and then upload the image. Here you can view an image has been successfully uploaded. That it's for today on uploading files with Selenium. As you say, it's pretty simple to automate this task using send keys. To add the file path directly, give it a try in your own projects to see how easy it is. If you like this video, please subscribe to SPO World for more tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.